In the annals of history, the grim practice of immurement stands out as an especially horrifying form of execution. Often shrouded in the shadows of torture's most infamous methods, immurement is both confounding and nightmarish. Imagine the horror of being trapped within the confines of a wall, your cries muffled by layers of stone or brick, destined to face an agonizing death that stretches across days, weeks, or even longer. The origins of immurement trace back to ancient societies, with purposes ranging from punishment to ritualistic sacrifices. Unlike the swiftness of a beheading or the brief agony of the stake, immurement promised a prolonged and solitary demise. This brutal method was carried out by sealing the victim in a confined space, often with just enough room to stand, their survival measured by dwindling air and resources. The fear of immurement wasn't just its finality, but the psychological terror it imposed. Victims succumbed to despair, starvation, and dehydration, their humanity stripped away slowly. In some historical records, victims were left with minimal sustenance, a cruel jest that prolonged suffering. Imagine the mental torment, knowing each fading breath could be your last. Infamous tales like that of the Vestal virgins in ancient Rome, who were subjected to immurement for breaking sacred vows, highlight a mix of societal pressure and morbid fascination. Indelibly etched in the cultural consciousness, these stories serve as haunting reminders of humanity's capacity for cruelty. But why, you might wonder, did society resort to such inhumane measures? In part, immurement was meant to invoke fear, a deterrent for crime or an example to enforce obedience. The sight of a sealed wall might symbolically represent absolute power, the ultimate punishment for defiance. Ultimately, immurement's legacy resides in the chilling reminder of the cruelty humans can inflict. Though less visible today, its echoes linger as a testament to a darker past. As we reflect on history's macabre tendencies, we're called to remember these lessons, ensuring that such inhumanity is never revisited. These stories challenge us to confront the shadows of our history and to choose compassion over cruelty. For if there's one lesson we must heed, it's that humanity is found not in bricks and stone, but in how we treat each other, even in judgment.